Stacks is, what you want to do is you can start with a cascade, and then you take your right hand, so the right hand, and you just do an underthrow like that. Doesn't matter how high, just throw it like that. And the other hand's just going to throw it up, and you're going to do that motion. This. Okay, now stacks, you can do a trick, which is what you do when you're just doing the stacks like this. You just want to take the right hand, and when you throw it up, switch it under. So two balls on one side, and it'll look like that. So now another thing you do with stacks is you keep the middle ball in place. This is another trick. And when you're doing it, the two outside balls, you'll cross them. And I'll show you what it looks like. Like that, but you can do it continuous.
And that is stacks.